We're in Sapa.
Sapa pa. And we're going down to the village.
Yes. Before you.
What's the name of the village, ma'am?
Lao Chai village.
Lao Chai.
Yes.
Yeah, we're going to Lao Chai village. Today is a foggy day.
Hope later we go into the valley is more clear.
Yeah, but only this upper part of the place. Lao Chai. Oh, sorry.
Kindergarten school from here.
Pardon?
Kindergarten school.
Oh, kindergarten.
But now on the children, they have holiday.
Oh yeah.
Vacation. Around the 3 months. Summer vacation 3 months.
Oh, 3 months.
2 to September they start go to school.
So September starts of the. I mean, the start of school will be this September.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. In the Philippines, it's already started. Yeah, we start in June. Yeah. Pardon. Rice field now. Uy, ginawa ng bata. Ayan, so pupunta kami ngayon sa my village. Yun nga lang, grabe, foggy. Ang lamig din. Ang lamig na lamig ka dyan, ha? Lamig na lamig ka. Buti nga lang, hindi masyadong umuulan. May hamog. Malamig. Tapos yun nga, literal na walking over the clouds. Grabe siya, oh. Foggy. Ito ang Vietnam. Meron ding rice field. Ayan o, rice terraces nila. Lao Chai. Doong Lao Chai. Dito sa Vietnam. Lamig. Umuulan-ulan kasi. Rest muna dito. pala is weaving. Yeah?
We have their very small
Pig.
house from here for the pig.
Yeah.
And this for the chicken. From here, every family we have a pig for the new year.
Oh.
In the new year, 100 kilos or more 100 kilos. And we kill the pig, we cooking the food, and we call the people in the village come and eating the food together and celebrate the new year. To eat, we need to take out the skin.
Galing, oh.
And we have the white spices.
Ganito sana gawin nila sa Banawe.
This is watermill.
Yeah, this is watermill. Hindi ka pa napagod.
We don't have electricity from here. We don't have machine. All the family we use this for this year before. But now we have machine. We use the machine more faster.
Oh, yeah. Rice milling.
Yes.
Yeah.
This is utilizing
Energy.
This one for
Flowing the
doing
fields.
the
Yeah.
power rice. We use it for the buffalo doing the power rice, move the mat up.
Yeah.
But now we have machine. Some people they use the machine more faster. And this one is indigo water. This is indigo water.
Alis dyan. What's that?
Indigo water.
Oh, indigo water.
To dye a fabric. Yes, we put the fabric inside here. 20 minutes. We take off 20 minutes. Then we put again. We do like this around 5 times. Then we use the fabric for to dry the sun. After dry the sun for keep the color. Then we dye again. First time we dye, we have the color will be blue color like this. We dye many times, will be black blue, black color, and my traditional clothes. This one for the woman traditional clothes from here. The fabric from weaving, on the shoulder from here, or embroidery.
Oh. I mean, the one they use for dyeing or tie-dyeing, is it the leaves or
From the tree.
from the tree?
Yes, hot tree.
Oh, okay.
I showed you before.
The one that you showed us a while ago. Oh, okay.
Indigo blue.
Okay.
You see this one from back here?
Yeah.
This is batik. This is beeswax.
Yeah, this is the
We
wax.
cut the wax to inside of here. We tie on the fire. The beeswax will be water. Then we use this spoon
For canting.
for to tie the beeswax water for to planting.
Yeah.
You can planting what flower you like.
Yeah.
After we put inside the indigo color 3 to 4 times. Then we dry the fabric for keeping the color. Then we put inside the
Hot water
for the beeswax
for the wax to be.
go outside.
Okay.
It would be like this one. We can buy for some skirt, for the tribal decoration. You see this one for the woman's skirt for a long time ago. You know from here where we have a baby, we only born in house. we don't born the baby from hospital,
Mhm.
and we don't wear the pen. We wear the skull for easy
Oh,
have a baby.
yeah.
Yeah.
For
And-
delivery.
Yeah. This one the music we make from bamboo.
Ah,
and from
what's that music? What
For
do
to
you call that
dancing,
one?
Museum. Museum.
Museum.
Yeah. This one for to dancing from long time ago. Like we don't have a telephone. On the Sunday, we go in the market together. Then we bought in the music together. And we dancing together. This
How
one,
many holes does it have?
6.
Oh, 6 holes.
Yeah.
Just like the flute. But how many bamboos? 2, 4, 6.
No.
6 bamboo.
6 bamboo too. Different
And
sizes.
this is also a bamboo.
Wood. Special wood.
Ah, special wood.
Yeah. This of other women, we don't know how to do it. Only the men.
Men
And
are...
you know, long time ago, every man, we don't have telephone. And we learn how to do the music, dancing, and for to find a girlfriend. Now, we use it for the funeral.
Ah, that's used for the funeral.
We have some traditional song. Even we have a funeral, the people die in the 2-day funeral. We have some men coming visiting, and we go in the music for visiting the last time with the people died, and we sing love for the people died. The show.
Ah, so this is played during the funeral.
Yes.
How is it done
They
again?
have some traditional song,
Uh-huh.
and they talk inside here. And some people they know how to listen. They can listen it. You know, from here in the funeral, we need to kill a buffalo. Like we have a culture from long time ago. On the line, we do something not good. Then when we die, the soul cannot go into the heaven. Then we need to kill a buffalo. For the buffalo soul go with the people that the soul go into the heaven. But to help it change something, and the people that the soul can go to the heaven.
Heavens.
Yes.
Ah, okay.
But this time we have a culture, and we keep in the culture. Or we don't know. The buffalo show can hear me, or the show can go to the heaven. I cannot. Then we need to keep
Yeah,
the culture.
that's
That's
traditional or ito yung
we make in the
pang-weaving.
flower
What?
pot. This is
Ah, the corn.
we put from here dry for the animal eating for year. And we celebrate like this. We put inside the middle rock here. We do a row here. It will be the power cone.
Oh,
After
okay.
that, we use it for cooking for the pig or for the buffalo eating.
Mhm.
Also, we have some family. We have some family on the rice field now enough for the family eating. And we also do the power cone. You need to make more sugar faster. We also use this coke for to cooking and for the people eating too. I can show you. We need to do up. I should know. We are over the power coming.
Ah, so you put the corn here
Yeah,
inside this hole.
yeah.
Ah,
And we
okay.
do it a roll like this. Yeah, you can make.
Okay.
And we'll have a power cone coming here.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Do it faster. You do it faster. Oh, sorry. One people do like this, and one people say that they put the cone inside. Exercise.
Uy!
Maname 2.0.
Wait. Eto. Doon yung school nila doon, oh. Sa taas. Yun pa, oh. Rice terraces of Vietnam. Here in Sapa. Let's go. Walking round and around and around. So, andito kami ngayon sa Rice Terraces. Hello, Cow Cow. Cow Cow. Oops, my tricycle. Sorry. Ooh. Jane. Oh. Yari. Maaraw, sobrang ulan. So this is the view of Sapa Rice Terraces. Ayan mga classmates, ayan yung napasyalan natin ngayong araw na to. Ito yun yung rice terraces nila dito sa Sapa. So ayan. Ayan, so ito yung hotel namin dito sa Sapa. Azure Sapa Hotel. Ayan, so dito dikit-dikit na mayroong massage. Ayan, may restaurant. Ayan, may grocery pa. Halos dikit-dikit din. Ayan, so akit tayo. Doon daw madaming kainan. Saloon. So ito po yung Sapa.